Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub. This video is a warning video for all of you. You know, whenever you have dreams, there are some people who kill your dreams, who snatch your dreams away from you. You know, sometimes when you have dreams, so you try to take every possible risk to fulfill your desires and to make your dreams come true. The same thing happened with one of my students, and there actually he was trapped by those people who claim to issue Ielts certificates without appearing in exam, or they say we can tamper the result as well and we can give you your required bench score without sitting in the exam and all that. So this student of mine, he is actually from Canada, right? Yeah, but he wanted to go for permanent residence and all that. He says, I watch your videos, I need your advice. I'm also affected by Ielts scammers. According to him, he says, I paid $3,700 almost to them, including insurance. Now see, they just cheat you. They say insurance, this and that. They kept on asking me more and I stopped them. Now they are blackmailing me on my name, and now they are saying that we will inform Canadian authorities and all that. They said they're going to lodge a report against me on behalf of fake document dealing, and now they are demanding 10,000 Canadian dollars for settlement. And according to me, he says, I blocked them last week. Now today again, they messaged me from another number, and that's a WhatsApp number, and they have started to threaten me on same thing. So I watched your videos. How did you explain about your students? Please, I need your advice. Now, let me tell you, all these scammers, they never deliver you Ielts certificate. Now, let me tell you what happens. And please share this video everywhere so that people should know that there is no number 2 of Ielts, right? What happens on Instagram, Facebook, and on other social media channels, they advertise, they have the pictures of students holding Ielts certificate, and they say we can provide you Ielts certificate and no problem, we can change the result of old test and all that, and for that they demand some money, and they say you just have to pay 50% first, and the remaining 50% you can pay us when you get the certificate. And you say that's fine. Once they receive for 50% amount, after a few days they say, well, your certificate is almost ready, but my partner is demanding the remaining amount because he doesn't trust me. So please send the remaining amount and we will send you the certificate. And they send you the picture of fake Ielts TRF with your picture on it and with your required band as well. By this time you become confident. And you say, oh, my Ielts certificate is ready, so there is no harm in paying the second amount. And you pay all the amount. Now, after receiving that amount, they say, well, we are going to send you this certificate via Dubai or via another country, and there is some insurance involved, so you have to pay the insurance money, otherwise the certificate will not come to you. Now, if you refuse to pay, then they have another line of work, line of action. But if you pay insurance money, that is around $200-300. After that, they say, well, you have to pay for the courier because we only prepare Ielts certificate, and the deal we had that was about Ielts certificate. Now you have to pay for the courier, which is another $150. And now you think, oh my God, I've already given them $800, $1,000. So if I don't pay $150, I'll not get the certificate. You pay $150 more. And then after that, they come up with some other reason, right? And when you refuse to pay, I mean, they will try to extract money out of you. When you refuse to pay, now they start blackmailing you. Because in order to make your Ielts certificate, they demand you your passport. They have your passport, okay, and on behalf of your passport, they say, well, we will give this passport to CIA or to a FIA or to any other agency, right? And then they are going to sue you, they are going to arrest you, and they start blackmailing you. And then they say, if you want to settle this issue, you need to pay $10,000, $5,000. So as long as you pay They are going to, they keep asking you for more money by one way or other. They keep asking you for more money. And when you stop paying them, then they start blackmailing you and all that. Let me tell you, the first thing is, don't fall prey to such type of scammers, because I've told you all the things. So there is no number 2 of IELTS, and these faceless people don't even know anything. Sometimes they have the wrong stamps on IELTS certificates. Sometimes they have stupid mistakes on fake IELTS certificates. Students send me the certificate and say, sir, please check, is it real or fake? And then I saw the picture was copy pasted there. It was copied and pasted there, okay? Sometimes even the signature, sometimes the stamp has got the wrong spelling in the stamp, okay? That's not possible by IDP, British Council and Cambridge. So you need to avoid all these things. These people will never ever send you the certificate. They only want your money as long as you pay them. They will trap you by one way or other, and when you stop paying, they will actually blackmail you. And one of my students from KSA, she became suicidal. These guys bothered her a lot that she became suicidal. So let me tell you the solution. The first thing is, don't fall prey to them. The second, if you fell prey to them, the solution would be, don't worry. These people are faceless. These people have no authority. They cannot do anything against you. I know they get your biometric as well. They say, please send your biometrics, send your passport, send this and that, so that you believe that they are actually working on your IELTS certificate. All these formalities they do so that you realize that yes, these guys are genuine and they are working on that. So they cannot do anything against you. They are criminals. How can a criminal report a crime? I mean, criminal is the one who is going to be arrested. So how can they do that? So don't be afraid. If this has happened with you, don't be afraid, but you must tell me your story and I'll make another video on that, okay? I'm sorry about that, but I have to inform all my students, all my subscribers that please be careful, right? Whenever you go to Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere else and they advertise such type of thing, you need to report that. Report that ad on Instagram and Facebook, so that at least Facebook and Instagram, they should take notice. They only charge for ads, and whatever people advertise, they don't care about that. So this is something bad as well. So please, my students all over the world, be careful with this thing. And if something has ever happened to you, do let me know about it. I will inform others about that. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. Soon I'm going to start on campus classes in Dubai. If you wish to join my live sessions in Dubai, my contact number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.